Test the basics first, then we'll dive in.
Yeah, it's got all the power, all the lights come on bright. Wouldn't kick over.
12.6, which is good. And test this one again. Alright, battery's good for sure. Yeah, let me see what it looks like on the inside. Makes a noise. So you do got the lights on?
No, the lights aren't on.
Okay.
But I mean, that's what...
That's as far as it goes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Alright. Take this out real quick. I'm gonna leave that in on position right now. Want to see something?
You want a cup of coffee or something?
Yeah, you see this?
Okay.
This basically confirms that there's a ground issue, but from here to here, we shouldn't be seeing nothing. But we see 0.66 volts. That means there's a voltage drop. That tells me the ground's not looking good.
Okay.
It should be like this. From here to here. You see how there's no volts? It's in millivolts. It's nothing. That's what we should be reading, millivolts, MV. But from here to the engine, yeah, we got that much voltage drop. So then I want to prove it to you.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the jumper cables. We're gonna create our own ground.
Science experiment.
Yeah. Cool. Connect that there. And we'll connect to a solid on the engine. And then if it starts, it tells us we have a ground issue.
Huh. Okay. Oh, man.
See? So it stays running because in the beginning when you crank the car, it needs a lot of amperage. When it's running, it needs less amperage to run.
Okay.
So that's why it didn't turn off right now, but as soon as we turn it off, it'll turn on. As soon as we turn it off, it won't turn on again. But this just kind of verifies that it's a ground issue.
Gotcha. Okay. That was cool.
Yep.
Good to go?
Yeah, I want to show you the ground wire I connected.
Okay.
So right from the battery, so it's the 100% source. It can't get lost anywhere. Routed it through here and connected it to the engine block. In the back down there. So turned it on, turned out good. I don't know if you want. I don't know if you want to give it a try.
Yeah, let's try it.
One more time. All right, sir. Good
Beautiful.
deal. All right, Keith. You let me know. You let me know if anything else happens. I hope this is it, though. This should be it.
I hope so.